Fix your writing instantly using this free AI tool. If you write emails, lesson materials, reports, or client messages, small writing mistakes can reduce clarity and professionalism. Most people don't realize how many weak phrases, unclear sentences, and tone issues slip through unnoticed. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly's free version properly. Step 1 is installing the browser extension. Once installed, Grammarly automatically checks your writing in emails, documents, and online platforms. It highlights grammar issues, spelling mistakes, and clarity problems in real time. But here's what most people miss. Don't just click Accept automatically. Read the suggestion and ask yourself why it's being changed. Grammarly often improves sentence structure by making writing more direct and concise. For example, a sentence like, "I am just writing to let you know that we will be proceeding with the meeting," can be simplified to, "We will proceed with the meeting." Clearer, shorter, stronger. Step 2 is checking tone. Grammarly gives tone feedback such as confident, friendly, or formal. This is extremely useful for educators communicating with parents or small business owners emailing clients. Adjusting tone intentionally improves communication quality immediately. Step 3 is clarity suggestions. Sometimes your writing isn't wrong, it's just heavy. Grammarly helps reduce wordiness and passive voice, making your message easier to read. For educators, this means clearer instructions. For small operators, it means stronger client communication. The key principle is this: use Grammarly as a refinement tool, not a replacement for thinking. You still control the message. The tool simply sharpens it. If you apply this consistently, your writing improves over time, not just in one document.